Welcome back. My name is Theresa and I'm very much hands. I have an awful garbage filthy mouth, so viewer discretion is advised. But if you're not into that or weird shit in general, this is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to exit the video here. No harm, no foul. But I'll remember our time fondly. We have another unboxing, y'all. And this is the Look Fantastic Beauty Box. First and foremost, thank you so much to Look Fantastic for sending this my way. And if you've never heard of the Look Fantastic Beauty Box, well, let me tell you a little bit about it.
The festive season is just getting started and we got the perfect box to refresh your skincare regime. Indulge your senses with 6 rejuvenating products worth over $90, yours for just 16 bucks.
If you're ever interested in checking out Look Fantastic, I do have a coupon code with them that will give you your first box for $10 when you subscribe to a 12-month subscription plan. And that's the code Theresa. So if you're interested, definitely go check that out. Without further ado, let's see what's in this bitch. Oh, okay. All the colors of the light. Oh, nice. Okay, instead of having like the magazine, they now have it on your phone. All right, all right. So let's see. Okay, great. Basically, the little magazine shows you what exactly you're getting in this box, and they'll give me all the information about it. So without further ado, let's just dump this stuff out. Okay, we have a lot of stuff. What is all of this? All right, so starting with the first thing, it's this teeny tiny little eyeliner pencil. It's the, what the fuck is this? Water resistant eyebrow. Oh, it's an eyebrow pencil. My bad. This is from DALLA PALMA. I'm pretty sure I butchered that completely, but this is a high precision, long lasting, water resistant brow pencil in various shades. Unfortunately, this is way too dark for me, so I'm gonna pass this off to somebody else. But basically what is it easily enhances your arches with the tool's extra fine tip that gives you both precision and natural coverage when filling, defining, and shaping. The creamy formula boasts an incredibly blendable finish. Okay, so as you can tell, this is seriously like brown. Yeah, it looks like it's really a deep brown. So, yeah, fortunately I can't use it. It's shade 103 if anybody's interested, but okay. All right, moving on. Ooh, I love a good foot mask. Oh my God. Honestly, when it comes to like foot care, I usually use my CBD creams. So like I have one from PRAI, I have one from Equilibria, which is like also a relief balm too. That one is still good. I know I talked about that in the previous video. I still use that when I'm kind of like achy or just like, you know, just tired of my fucking calluses. But anyway, this one is interesting because it's a moisturizing foot mask and you have like these little sockies and it's so adorable. And you put them on your feet, you wear them for 15 minutes and voila. Your feet look like cartoon feet, apparently. I love these things. I'm actually excited for one wanting to, you know, use this product. That said, what is it? You indulge in a little self-care for your feet with this nourishing foot mask infused with lavender extract. And it's from the brand Les Mini Macarons. Oh, how fucking cute. I love this. I'm actually excited about this one. The next product is from a brand called Balance Me, and I'm pretty sure I received this in a Look Fantastic box before. And this is a BHA exfoliate concentrate. Powered by salicylic acid, willow bark, and tiger grass, this clever no-rinse concentrate gently removes dead skin, fights blackheads, reduces blemishes, and targets enlarged pores. This reveals more radiant skin underneath, allows your skincare to work that little bit harder. Okay, that sounded like a weird phrase to say, but all right. Basically, you apply several pumps to this beauty pad to a clean skin, gently wipe over a dry face, avoiding your eye area. Okay, I mean, it kind of sounds like a toner in a weird way, but it's not. We're gonna give it a whirl, see how it goes. The next product is from MOLTON Brow. I don't know why, I just felt like I had to say it. It just feels very dramatic. What is it? What the fuck is this? A relaxing YLANG-YLANG bath and shower gel. Not even sure if I'm saying that correctly, so I apologize. What is it? I think this is pronounced YLANG-YLANG, not YLANG, but I could be wrong. Anyway, this refresh your wash routine with the luxurious YLANG-YLANG and sweet vanilla scented body wash from MOLTON Brow. This wash clears away impurities and nourishes skin. Okay, it has honeysuckle flower extract and jasmine, blah, blah, blah. Okay. It's a shower gel. We love a shower gel. And we love a dramatic brand like MOLTON Brow. Next product is from PRAI. And this is the Ageless Throat and Décolletage Cream. I don't know why I had to say it like that, but I felt like I had to. Designed to target anti-aging, this formula is enriched with a blend of mulberry and grapeseed extracts. The mixture helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This has shea butter and grapeseed oil. Okay, I mean, listen, we love a good throat cream. We love to catfish people, so we'll give this a whirl and I'll let you know if this works or not. Oh, that was a total fail. Yay, and the crowd goes wild. All right, the last product we have is from the brand Comfort Zone, and this is a RENIGHT cream. Yeah, RENIGHT cream. Nourishing vitamin cream. Working to soothe and hydrate your complexion whilst you sleep. This cream replenishes your skin's moisture, leaving it feeling refreshed and more plump. Has goji berry oil and hydrolyzed tomato extract. Okay, all right. Let's see. Oh, it has a little tubey thingy. I'm not even interested enough to fucking open it. Okay, so this is what you get in the box. I mean, I feel like just this month in general, November is a very lackluster month. I think the only thing I'm kind of actually excited about is the foot mask. Like, that sounds like a good time. I love the idea of having soft feet. But everything else is kind of like a, all right. Like, they're not very sexy, these products, okay? If I'm gonna be honest here, they're not very sexy. They're just okay. They're almost kind of sleepy and forgettable. I actually feel like I don't even know what I even talked about for the last, 20 minutes. They're not memorable. And I kind of feel like that's usually the case with Look Fantastic boxes. I want to say there's probably a handful that I've been like, yes! And then everything else has been like, get it away from me. Just go. Just close the goddamn door and leave me alone. And that's kind of what this month's box is for me. So, yeah. But as always, thank you, Look Fantastic, for sending this my way. But, yeah, this one not so good. Hopefully next month will be better. All right, let me know down below if you get this box. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Were you satisfied with what you got? Because I know I wasn't. And also let me know if there's any other subscription boxes you want to see me open. I always love hearing from y'all. And with that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. It's free. And hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon. To all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies, thank you so much for keeping this delicious, disgusting, filthy, trashy, really filthy, really gross, really disgusting garbage but afloat. I couldn't do without you, and I love your adorable little delicious faces. And basically I just want to gobble you all up. I just want you to be inside my belly. If you want to know what is on my nails, everything will be listed in the description box below. And I'll see you. I don't know why I'm doing the Macarena, but I am. And I'll see you little catfishes later. Bye. I'm just going nuts here, okay? Like, okay, bye.